But she called shotgun.
You want to drive?
Girl, I have my glasses.
Why don't you want to drive? Why does he want to drive?
No, I don't have them.
Ooh.
He's scared to drive?
I can see with your glasses.
To drive. At night. Or anytime.
He's like, I'll call shotgun.
Can you drive?
Just drive.
I don't have my glasses.
Oh, she doesn't have a glass.
I had them, but I left them.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll see you guys over there then.
Let me get my water because...
Girl, we have the keys. We have the keys.
You gotta put baby in.
I just wanted to like put it up.
Stretch the pants and he let it go. So
He felt so bad. He's like, oh.
yeah, I know. Ooh.
Let it be. Huh? Let it be. Because I put reverse first to go to drive. Yep. Yeah, and be safe. Be safe. Nice.
Oh, you know what? Let me I can't really see it. I need to take a picture, but it's too dark. I'll just take a thumbnail picture of this. Alright, let's go. We are gonna end the night driving to my sister-in-law's house. Yeah, I think we said we're gonna have a worship night. Oh no, not anymore, huh? Well, I mean, we can still have a worship night, or maybe just a chit-chat night with some matcha and some coffee. So we're gonna end it. We're gonna end Saturday on a very calm note, just chit-chatting with some good old friends that came from Utah and some other friends from church. And we're just gonna have a good time. We literally just got out from Korean barbecue. Well, as you guys saw in the intro, it was really good. I'm super full, but now it's time to go unwind, relax. Let's go. I think I'm gonna turn off the light. That way they won't see me. You are not excused. Man, your windows look so dirty.
I know. They broke.
Let me clean them. Are you gonna drink some matcha or something?
Maybe coffee.
Yeah, I think Kim will get a coffee too. I'm gonna see. She has decaf, right?
Yes.
Yeah, because I already drank a lot of... Well, not a lot of, but I drank caffeine today. And I don't want to overdo it. What happened? Oh, you stopped the music? How dare you! Oh, let me time this light. Let me time it. Yes! It's because I need to go over here. Alright. 6:05. Let's go. It's 10 o'clock. I think driving at night is very peaceful. You just need to avoid all the crazy drivers that are out here at night. There's a lot of crazy drivers out there. And I'm one of them. Like this guy, he didn't even signal. He just cut me off. How dare you? Look, and he didn't even signal to go back. How dare you? Oh, I need to switch here. Yeah, I'm getting a little tired, guys, so that's why I'm not really talking. I know in my other videos I do sometimes tend to talk more, but you know what? Just for this video, relax. You know, relax with me. And just enjoy the calmness of the freeway, of the noise of the car. So all I can say is just like and subscribe, and comment down in the comment below what type of car are you guys driving. Let me know. Nah, they just pulled someone over, or 2 people crashed. There's always people crashing on the freeways. Doot, doot. Doot, doot. Circumstance, Jara, you are enough. Whoa. Huh? Oh, it's this car. You see, that's why you guys need to be careful for the crazy drivers like that. Just cutting off people. Oh look, gas is cheap. You know, I've been noticing that the gas is going low down. Probably. Dang. I'm gonna have to start going on my electric scooter. I'm gonna have to buy. It's time to start charging a bike. Get some roller skate.
Well, you're good there.
I'm all sweating.
You have to leave at 12.
I have to go sleep now.
Now?
Yeah. I have to go to sleep now so I can rest, wake up well rested tomorrow and leave at 5. I'm gonna have to leave at 2 in the morning, get there at 5. Huh?
Where are all these cars going?
Fiesta. Probably in all the water, huh? I know. Oh my gosh, this car is going so slow, bro. There's some people that just shouldn't be driving. Oh my gosh, I'm driving with literal NPCs. I'm driving with snails. Positive vibe, guys. Positive vibe. This channel is just filled with positive vibe. As soon as it turns green. Excuse me. Where are you going? All fast. For nothing. Oh my gosh. Look, guys. Look at the temperature. 67. Oh, I need to check how many steps I did.
4,000. Almost 5,000. Your app is not accurate.
My app? Well, I mean,
It's on your phone.
But I mean, it does count when I step. Oh man, guys, like I'm a very positive guy, but man, sometimes there's some drivers that, like I said earlier, just should not be driving. All right, well, with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and click the videos that YouTube is going to recommend. I'm sure you guys are going to like them, and I'll see you guys there.